Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Katlego Jr. Mpholo, the guy who was dumped, killed and burned in Thabo Beste's cell. His father, yes, his father, he has been called out for his media-seeking attention ways and possibly him wanting to make money out of his now deceased son. The son, you guys, that he never had any relationship with. Now that Katlego is normal, his father, who only met him in his late 20s and has never met his children, you guys, he wants to sue the state to cash in on his son's death. And now, you guys, Jiki Pamotse, who is an author, exposed the man through a series of tweets, and social media users are behind her. So this is what she wrote. I have watched these interviews on Katlego's family, but the father takes the opportunistic cup. Man never went looking for his son. He doesn't even know his grandkids. He didn't even know how to describe his son, but he is the first to want money from the state. This man didn't even go see the family all year during his son's disappearance. He never posted anything but selfies online. He will definitely take up the state money and live it up in Joburg. I just don't trust him. The family needs to appoint someone they trust to handle this. Something is just disturbing about him. Yes, we don't know the full story, nor do we know the family dynamics. However, how he has managed this is questionable. That's all I am saying. Just my boring opinion, nothing more. Guys, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'll definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.